Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at APX Motorsports, and if you guys saw last video, I got some new carbon fiber mirror caps from V10, and we're going to be installing them here today. For the new subscribers that don't know, APX Motorsports are the guys that wrapped my car. Immaculate job. I just showed them the black rims with the yellow brake calipers. They approved, but they also got some very, very badass cars in here. And here these are. We will be heading out of here very, very shortly, but I have a question for you and for all the subscribers. I have an exhaust coming on the way. It arrives next week. We're going to be taking the car to SSR, where we'll be installing the full exhaust system on the car. Basically a straight pipe. Do I leave the back bumper off? I've seen a lot of R8s and Huracans with the back bumper off, just a simple exhaust on there. So I'm thinking I just leave the back bumper off.
Is it titanium?
It is not titanium, so that's the only thing holding me. Yeah, I know. It breaks my heart. I want you guys' opinion on this. The exhaust is completely stainless steel, no blue, purple. Unfortunately, it's not titanium, but I want your opinion. Do we leave the back bumper off or on? Alright, we got a little bit of time to kill. We should just do a few laps, huh?
Yeah, why not?
Car doesn't start.
Some things will never change. Old habits, you know? Hard to break.
Looks like you're gonna be needing a ride home, not me.
Good thing your car has an extra seat for me. God damn, dude.
Got to pump it up. It's mandatory. Dad, can we do one more pull, please?
Alright.
Oh, yeah. You're the best dad ever. Alright, so from what I've heard, we've been having a few little difficulties with this car, huh?
Absolutely. You know, it's not like it's not anticipated.
Yeah, we know it's gonna happen, but
when you're pumping so much power out of a car like this, shit's gonna go wrong from time to time.
Absolutely, I even knew that. So you got to deal with the consequences.
Yeah.
And what were the consequences this time?
So there was a hole in my transmission, and that's okay. We've since sourced another stock transmission.
Absolutely.
Which is on the car right now.
That's how it's working.
The factory transmission that had a lot of love from you is now being shipped out to John Shepard.
Beautiful.
And we are going to do a fully built trans. We're shooting for like a low 9-second pass, mid to low 9s.
Okay, and if I want to see this 9-second pass, I'm just gonna go ahead and go to your channel, huh?
Yep.
Okay. Just like that, guys. 20 minutes. The mirror is on, fully carbon fiber. Pretty much perfect fitting on this thing. If I knew it was this easy, we could have just done this ourselves. But Arvin over here is hooking it up. How's it look?
Looks fantastic.
Let's get this in the sunlight and see how it looks.
Low-key, the Evo looks better.
Look, I thought this was gonna be much harder than it actually was. That's the only reason we brought it here. Me and Drake could have done this ourselves, but APX knocked it out in 30 minutes. Check out how these look. Hey, I'm trying to film it. Here are the V10 carbon fiber mirror caps for the Audi R8 in the sunlight. It looks absolutely amazing. Everything fit flawlessly on here. The mirrors are completely adjustable, still absolutely perfect fitment by V10. Dre threw out the idea I should get the carbon fiber roof wrap on this, and I figured since we have the carbon fiber lip coming forward, the carbon fiber hood, might as well have it go carbon fiber all the way over the car to the carbon wing in the back. Every little thing we add on the car starts making the car look a little bit better, but the huge thing we got for today is the new grille for the car. It will change the whole look of the front end. Before we head on over to Dre's house, unbox the new grille and install it, I want to let you guys know that the Colorado show is June 5th. Do not forget, guys, if you want to save money on car registration or buying your spectator tickets, it's the first link in the description below. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we have the new grille for my V10 R8 over here. We're going to be replacing this entire piece right now here at Speed Lab. There are multiple companies out there that actually make this grille over here. We had the option of getting carbon, but we're gonna have so much carbon on the front end. We gotta go with some gloss black accents.
You need some help?
Yeah, I could use some help.
All right.
Now, if you guys have seen the new grills on like the 2021 R8s, I'll insert a picture like right over here. It's very, very similar to that, but here is the new gloss black grille for the R8. So much better. This mesh matches exactly with the mesh over here. So I don't know what Audi was going for with this fucking horrible looking grille. Every R8 needs to come with this mesh style grille up front. Let me give you the rundown here. Bolts here, we take off this panel, this panel, this panel. There's bolts in the wheel well right over here, and we got about 4 bolts underneath with some push pins and all that good stuff. So let's get to work. See, this is why we come to Speed Lab. He has every tool on planet Earth. This would take me like an hour and a half at home to do with my tools. Here, 20 minutes. All right, we got the last 5 bolts off. This thing is hanging on. We got the bumper sensor still connected here. We got to disconnect, and I guess there's a fucking cigarette in here. I don't even smoke cigarettes. That easily just flew in from the freeway, probably. Brother, we have emergency situation. How are you?
What's up?
We need some help out there.
What happened?
I'm trying to get this piece off for like a nice 5 minutes, and it should not be this hard, and you're saying the clip's broken, huh?
Yeah, but I know how to get it off.
Of course
pocket
you do.
Screwdriver?
30 seconds. Super easy. It's literally like 10 bolts going around the side of this. This baby pops off. Throw this shit in the fucking garbage can, and then we put the new one on.
This is trash, dude.
As much as I would love to throw this 200 yards away, this has some good resale value. So if anyone wants an Audi R8 front grille, it's gonna be on offer. How would this look without a grille at all?
So you wouldn't check there?
It's not too bad, but I wouldn't do it. Yeah. So there's a piece of shit black piece behind it, and it's free.
That did not come out right. Why'd you laugh like that?
So yeah, that's for what? The European
It looks like
place.
there's Euro plate holes right here, but we're not in Europe, obviously. We're trying to take this off, but it's like plastic welded on.
So we can't get this off unless like grind it off, huh? Yeah. Is it worth it though?
I don't know, Nigel, what do you say?
We can try it.
Oh,
So we wanted to grind this off, but I don't think we are, huh?
Because it covers this right here and right
It
behind
covers
that.
that up either way, so it's gonna look better with this black piece over it compared to seeing this. And we also got the bash bar that connects to right behind over here, so might as well just leave it on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Last few bolts here, it already looks amazing just sitting on the front bumper, so we're gonna throw it on the car right now and see how it looks. How does it look? Oh, so much better. Wow. Yes. This will take us about 5 minutes, but it's gonna be about 3, 2, 1 for you guys. Let's see how this thing looks. Yes. Absolutely approved. Wow. Yeah, much better. Let's move this into the sunlight. All right, guys, the car is now in the sunlight. The moment of truth. Oh yeah, that is so much better. Well, Audi, what the fuck are you doing, dude? Send the cars out like this. For every Audi R8 owner out there, this is the very first modification this car needs. It's actually the only modification this car really needs. I'm just very extra and I need a lot of shit for it, but oh yeah, so much better. Now imagine this with the carbon fiber lip, the carbon hood with the vents on there, the new headlights. Oh my god, I can't wait. But for now, I'm blocking off Dre over here, so we gotta get out of here. Ladies and gentlemen, super successful day. Huge shout out to Vicrez for these carbon fiber mirror caps. They look absolutely amazing on the car. Slowly but surely, it's starting to look better and better. Shout out to APX Motorsports and Speed Lab for letting us use their shops. If you guys haven't already, the Colorado followers and the nearby states, we got people coming from California, Nevada, Ohio, surrounding states all over Colorado. If you haven't already, make sure to grab your spectator tickets. First link in the description and register your car to save some money online. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time.